Which electric retractable truck bed tonneau cover is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down the top 5 options based on real features, fit, and value. Product number 1, ZW&AV Aluminum Retractable Cover. The ZW&AV folding retractable cover caught my attention because it's built specifically for Dodge Ram 1500 models from 2009 to 2019, and even claims compatibility with newer 2020-2022 trucks. Priced at $2,031.66, it sits in the mid to high range, but what really stands out is the full bed access. That's huge if you regularly haul tall or bulky items. The aluminum panels are half an inch thick and support up to 200 pounds, plus they're UV protected and rust resistant. There's also an integrated water management system that channels rain and snow away from your cargo. Honestly, this level of weather protection means your gear stays dry no matter what you're hauling, whether it's tools, camping supplies, or expensive equipment. Now, some people might be put off by the lack of customer reviews or ratings, which makes it hard to judge long-term reliability. Here's the thing though, this isn't some sketchy knockoff. ZW&AV is known for solid automotive accessories, and the build quality here matches that reputation. This is perfect for you if you drive a Ram and want durable, no-nonsense protection without sacrificing bed access. Skip this one if you need verified long-term user feedback before buying. For the price, you're getting serious functionality and peace of mind. Product number 2, T9 Motorized Roller Shutter. Now, if the ZW&AV's limited model compatibility was a concern, this T9 electric retractable cover from HLOMAUD takes a completely different approach. It's marketed as universal fit. At $4,310.77, it's definitely premium priced, but you're paying for full automation and all-metal construction. Installation is supposedly tool-free and quick, which is rare for electric covers. The metal build not only adds strength but also gives your truck a tough industrial look. That said, the packaging dimensions listed are suspiciously small, just 0.39 inches in every direction, which raises serious questions about whether this is a real product or just a placeholder listing. Combined with 0 reviews and a nearly $4,300 price tag, that's a red flag. Still, if this is legit, the automation and rugged design could be worth it for contractors or off-roaders who need quick, reliable access. This is perfect for you if you want hands-free operation and don't mind taking a risk on an unproven brand. Skip this one if you prefer established sellers with verified customer feedback. Product number 3, AITONOBLE Ford Ranger Electric Cover. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for Ford Ranger owners. The AITONOBLE electric-powered retractable cover is designed specifically for the 2022-2024 Ford Ranger T9, priced at $1,904.60, making it one of the more affordable electric options. Unlike some fully automatic models, this one includes a manual handle for backup operation, which honestly feels more practical. What if your battery dies mid-trip? You won't be stuck. The locking mechanism is solid and it seals tightly against weather, keeping dust and rain out during off-road adventures or rainy commutes. Some buyers worry about limited brand recognition, and yeah, AITONOBLE isn't a household name. This is perfect for you if you drive a newer Ford Ranger and want reliable electric functionality without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need brand name assurance or plan to keep your truck for 10+ years without servicing options nearby. Product number 4, HZ Mehai Silverado/Sierra Electric Shutter. Now, if you're driving a 2019-2024 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed, this HZ Mehai electric retractable cover could be your match. It even tucks away neatly when not in use, maintaining a clean bed appearance. That said, like a few others on this list, it has 0 reviews and comes from a lesser-known manufacturer. The weight and dimensions listed seem off, just 1.76 ounces. That can't be right for a full bed cover. Still, the feature set is impressive. automatic positioning, secure locking, and OEM-style integration. This is perfect for you if you want a seamless, factory-like electric cover for your Silverado or Sierra, and don't mind paying a premium for precision fit. Skip this one if you're on a budget or prefer buying from brands with proven track records. Product number 5. GJZKVLXMQ Silverado Roller Lid. Finally, if you're looking for something with a brushed metal finish and easy installation for your Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the GJZKVLXMQ Electric Retractable Roller Lid comes in at $3,427.95. It promises tool-free setup, which is a big win, no drilling or complex wiring. It's built to protect against theft and weather with strong seals and a secure latch system. However, again, there are no customer reviews and the product details seem inconsistent, like the extremely low weight and tiny package size. That makes me question whether this is a real shippable product or just a listing placeholder. Still, if it's genuine, the combination of style, security, and ease of use is compelling. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek, no-fuss electric cover for your Silverado and value aesthetics as much as function. Skip this one if you need transparency, verified performance, or local support. So which one should you pick? The ZW&AV offers great value and full bed access for Ram owners. The T9 is high-end but risky due to lack of proof. AI-T10BLE gives Ford Ranger drivers a smart, affordable electric option. HZ Mehai and GJZKVLXMQ both target Silverado/Sierra owners with premium features, but buyer beware on unverified listings.